What up everybody? So I want to show you guys my 2015 Sienna SE. I wanted to do an upgrade on my wheels from 19 inch to 17 inch. Now in an effort to try to keep the wheels close to OEM, I found this company called Black Rhino that make these wheels called Volls. And these are 17 by 8s. These are wrapped around the Falken Wildpeak 235/60/17s. And it ended up being very close to OEM spec, and the fitment's perfect. Zero rubbing issues, and I'm so happy with the way they turned out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump to a vlog of my buddy Tony installing the tires and the wheels. If you guys ever... What up everybody? So today I'm gonna be installing brand new wheels and tires on my Sienna, which I didn't want to do, but these Sienna wheels, the tires I got when I got them are completely bald, and they just need to be changed up. And I found out that a lot of people were complaining that the wheels were heavy, and I also wanted to go with 17s versus buying brand new 19-inch wheels. So I reached out to Black Rhino and also Falken to see if I can get a 17-inch combination, and this is what we got. So check it out. Right size.
Let's see what this rim looks like, guys.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, we're going in. These are the Black Rhino Volls. My bowling ball.
You got some fancy lug nuts?
I got some fancy lug nuts.
You got some fancy lug nuts too, huh? Yeah.
So we got some Skunk 2 lug nuts.
Lug
Not
nuts.
sponsored. I paid for these.
Pay for it with no locking lug nuts.
Well, no.
You can take them if you want.
Hey, nah, I ain't no way taking these, bro. These would be rest assured on my driveway. What we got? So I'm working with Falken because we got these tires in. These are very close to the dimensions of my current stock tires, but these are the new Wildpeak ATs. I'm running 235/60/17s. Hopefully they fit and I don't have any rubbing issues. I don't think I will because these offsets are not that low, but you never know with these type of things. Jerry, what do you think? You like it?
I liked it, yeah, but
Yeah.
not for the van.
Not for the van?
No.
What car are we gonna put that on then?
This is for the Jeep for go to snow,
No,
for-wheel drive.
it's for the van.
snow,
Hold on. Let me take a look. Damn, Jerry's my #1 hater right now. So I got a 2015 Toyota Sienna SE, which is the kind of the sporty package. These are 19-inch wheels. They're too big. 19s are too crazy.
Smaller with some meat.
When I bought the van, the guy told me that he had new tires. I didn't check because I was running around. He actually had one brand new tire. This guy lied to me. The back two are bald, the other one's midlife, and one new tire. Bro, who the hell buys one new tire? Hey, look at this. How does this happen, Tony?
It happens. It's probably in the front. And then rotated them to the back.
Damn, those lugs.
Bro, you need some brake pads.
I need some brake pads?
Let's see it right now.
We'll see. Oh, look at the new bags. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
The pads look good.
Bags. We got some life on the brakes?
Yeah.
We're okay? Mid-level? Mid?
No. We are not okay.
We're not okay? We're low?
Not okay.
Damn, alright. So I made the boys pork belly, and right here, spicy chicken, spicy cream. And a lot of rice, baby. It's thin. Hello.
Oh, you need the square setup?
Yeah. Ooh, that cap. TPMS. Ooh. You guys remember Chips? Nah, you guys are too young. You guys don't remember Chips. Poncherello on John. Inspecting the tires. Easy does it. Does it feel heavier?
Pretty heavy tire.
Pick up the other one. Comparable?
Yeah, it's comparable. Actually.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I like hearing that.
You tell me. This actually fucking feels heavier.
Dude, I was gonna say, dude, OEM's heavy, man. A 19-inch wheel.
I think this is lighter.
What's your scale?
Hey, see, perfect balance.
Got the Black Rhino with that Falken.
That's a combo. Get all this weight.
Alright, we got wheel number 2 going through. Ooh, it smells good. That chemical smells good.
Soap and water, bro.
Is that what soap?
Fuck it up, bro. It's the one with the duck. Yeah, it's good for the duck.
Damn, that
Palm
smells good. Palm olive? Oh,
Oh, right? Isn't that
that's old school. That smells really good though. What's harder to do, low profile tires or like big tires?
low profile? Big tires just go in without even using the machine.
Oh,
Low profiles are a bitch, and the reverse mounted with the fade where you have to flip the rim in and mount them backwards.
oh,
Because the drop centers, and those are usually on like deep dish wheels with rims that have big fat lips on them. I like to use marine grease here, water resistant, so when you wash it, doesn't come off.
so the grease stays on your nuts forever.
Yeah, so you want the grease to stay.
Forever grease nut. Forever nut grease. Ooh, torquing it down. Alright, we're gonna put the valve stem at the belly of the beast.
With the Rhino facing.
It's kind of hard with one hand. There. Boom.
That hammer.
It's good. Alright, so Tony's done going and putting on the wheels and did the back rotors and pads. We're gonna see how it drives now. Couldn't really tell if the wheels were heavier or lighter, but it's probably pretty close. So as of now, we went from 19 inches down to 17s. So now hopefully I can run stuff over. It doesn't look like anything's gonna rub, which is really, really nice. And the bags will keep the rears up nice. Oh, I could definitely hear more road noise for sure. All right, well, it's too soon to tell, but it does feel a little bit heavier. We'll see how much that affects gas mileage and the handling. But overall, I'm really happy with the look. I'm glad the fitment's good. And thank you once again to Black Rhino and to Falken for helping out, and of course Tony for always doing an amazing job. If you guys are ever looking for anybody to work on your car, Tony is awesome, does great detail work, and make sure everything is buttoned up all the time. So make sure you check him out. And other than that, let's go take some photos and get on to the road.